Hello, myself Arya, class 7 Geography, Chapter 1 Environment. After a long vacation, when Ravi started going to school again, he noticed that the only playground next to his school was dug up. People said that the huge buildings with many flat with a construct there. Ravi was almost in tears when he realized that the big playground with its soft grass, marigolds, and butterflies is gone for every. He shared his feelings with his classmate in a assembly. The principal to sadly observe she how our environment is changed. In the class, Ravi asks his teacher, "What is environment? Environment you you see in your surroundings," said the teacher. Ravi thought alo Ravi thought alo aloud. That means the school building, table, chair in the class, every that cla- classroom, even the open field in the road and cla- the garbage, my friends, all are part of our environment. Yes, said the teacher. But wait. Some objects are created by nature. For example, mountain, rain, trees, animals. Others are made by people. For example, roads, car, clothes, books. Now works in pair. Make a list with your classmates. Sit next to you to of the creation of nature and by human beings. Ravi, Parmiji, JC, Mustafa, Asa, Asawir are excited about making the list. Why is our environment changing? Asks Iqbal. It is all because of our needs. They are increasing day by day. We are therefore modify all about at times even destroying our nature surrounding. The teacher replied. From the above uh, conversation, you understanding that the uh, place, people, things, and natural that surrounding all living organism is called environment. It is a combination of natural and human environment made phys- phenomena, while the nature environment refer to the biotic and abiotic condition exist on the earth. Biotic, the world of living organism, for example, and plants and animals. Biotic, abiotic, the world of non-living elements, example, land. Human's environment reveals the activity, creation, and interaction amongst human beings. Natural environment, lands, water, air, plants, and animals. Compare a natural environment. You are familiar with the meaning of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere from your previous classes. Let us learn some more facts about these domains. Lithosphere is a solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It's made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular square surface with various landforms such as mountain, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Landforms are found over the continents and also on the ocean floor. Lithosphere is a domain that provide a forest, grasslands for grazing lands for agriculture, the human settlement. It is also source of minerals wealth. The domains of water is referred to the hydrosphere. It compares various sources of water and different types of water bodies like river, land, seas, ocean, etc. It is especially for all living organisms. The atmosphere is a thin layer of air that surround the earth. The gravitational force of the earth hold the atmosphere around it. It's provide us. From the harmful rays and sourcing heats of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust, and water vapor. The change in the atmosphere produce change in weather and climate. Plants and plants and animals kingdoms through makes biosphere or a living worlds. It is a narrow zone of the earth where lands, water, and air interact with each other to support life. What is what is ecosystem? At a NCC camp, the Ravi can was Eddie attending GC's explain what is a heavy downpour. It's remind me of my home in Kerala. You should come and see how it pour over the lush green field and coconut plantation. Hurry of Gislamor ex- exclaimed with get no rain. We see only Khirka and sand as far as the eyes can see, but also feed you also feed camels, said Ravi. Hari said, not just a camel. If you visit the desert, you will see snakes, lizards, and many insects too. Ravi wonder, why do the animals, the vegetation, and the why people live very very far, very far place to place. Are they all related to each other? Oh, yes, very much so. The teacher replied. All plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate, immediate, immediate surrounding. Often they are also interdependent to on each other. Interdepend depend on each other. This relation between the relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organism and their surrounding from an ecosystem. Uh, there could be a ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lakes, rivers, ocean, and even a small ponds. Do you think the part in which Riva and his friends play from an ecosystem, human environment? Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surrounding. They lead a simple life and requirement. Fulfill their requirement for the natural around them. With time needs give and become more varieties. Humans learn new ways to use the change environments. They learn the grow crops, do, documentary documentary animals, and lead a settlement life. The wheels was inverted, so surplus foods and produce barter system, emergency trade, starting the com- commerce develop. Incidentally, trade transportation become faster. Information revol- revolution makes communication either a speed across the world. Have you either through why you love eating a juicy watermelon in summer and how and hot roasted peas, peas nut in winter and a, a, perf- a perfect balance is necessary between the natural and human environment. Human environment learn the living and use the environment in a harmonious ways. Nuris, a girl of Minizoram for Ravi class, often take about a lunch green surrounding of her place, seeing Ravi upset at having lost of playground. Nuris invited him to visit her homestead during the coming vacation. Ravi teacher asked the student to draw a landscape, house and activity of the people and place they visit during the holiday. Thank you. Stay tuned with me. Bye bye. Think and learn.